Ever pondered over the question, what happens when artificial intelligence takes to the skies? Welcome to a journey through the chronicles of AI, from military operations to professional video workflows. Our tale begins with the U.S. Air Force, who recently conducted successful flight tests, where artificial intelligence piloted a fighter jet, engaging in air-to-air combat simulations. Two AI programs, developed by the Air Force Research Laboratory and DARPA, piloted the X-62A Vista aircraft in different combat scenarios. This significant advancement demonstrates the potential of autonomous AI algorithms to control airborne tactical platforms, focusing on surveillance, beyond visual range combat, and dogfighting. The Air Force didn't stop there. They are currently testing a self-flying F-16 fighter jet, with Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall volunteering to be a passenger to observe the autonomous technology. These smart, efficient, and affordable AI-operated drones promise to revolutionize military operations. However, this leap forward is not without criticism. Concerns are being raised about the dangers of relying on AI for strategic decisions, with critics referring to the technology as slaughterbots. The debate over machines with the power to take lives without human involvement is indeed a heated one. Swinging the pendulum from military applications to the realm of professional video workflows, we find Adobe at the forefront of AI innovation. Adobe is harnessing the power of AI to transform the way we create and edit videos. Last but not least, we take a look at ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. They've recently launched DecoupleQ for model compression. This development highlights the continuous advancements being made in the field of AI and its widespread applications. In conclusion, we've seen how AI is making strides in both military operations and professional video workflows, from the U.S. Air Force's pioneering tests to Adobe's innovative applications and ByteDance's DecoupleQ. The future of AI is here, and it's a thrilling ride. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the sky is not the limit when it comes to the potential of artificial intelligence.